kids! Today we're going to learn about the animals that live on a farm. Let's take a ride around Dave and Ava's animal farm. Are you ready? Here we go! Mouse, dog, rooster, duck, pig. Our animals love to talk and play. But what do the animals say? Let's find out today. Mouse. The mouse goes squeak, squeak. Say hello to one of the smartest animals on the farm. Mice have large ears, sharp teeth, and a long tail. Mice eat almost anything, but they love cheese. Some people keep mice as pets. Can you squeak like Philip the mouse? Yeah, good job! Dog. The dog is barking. Woof, woof. I think he wants to play. Dogs are very smart. They're called man's best friend. Dogs love to chase their tails. And some can do tricks. Wow! Do you know the name of cute baby dogs? Yes, they're called puppies. Rooster. Everybody wake up! It's time to start the day. Cock-a-doodle-doo! The roosters say. Roosters are brightly colored and have large red combs on top of their heads. A rooster is a boy chicken. Ooh la la. Roosters peck at worms, fruit, grain, seeds, insects, and other things. Duck. How do ducks say hello? Quack, quack. Ducks are birds and they also love to swim. Ducks like to eat snails, slugs, and plants. A baby duck is called a duckling. Oh, look! There's 5 little ducklings. Hi, everybody! Pig. Do you know what animal says oink, oink? Yeah! The pig says oink, oink. Rolling in the mud all day. What a fun way to play. Pigs have funny pink noses and cute curly little tails. They can eat almost anything. A baby pig is called a piglet. Now you know what the animals say. Here we go one more time. Mouse. Dog. Rooster. Duck. Pig. Thanks for touring the farm with us and saying hi to all the animals. See you next time!